In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the data analysis tools into Microsoft Excel. Start out by opening Microsoft Excel. There should be an icon in your taskbar. If not, open a search window and enter Excel. And it should pop up. It should be on the top of the list. Open it. Start out by going to File, Options, select Add-ins, select Analysis Toolpak. Verify that under Manage it says Excel Add-ins and select Go. Place a check next to Analysis Toolpak and OK. Open the Data tab and you should see Data Analysis here under Analysis. Pin this ribbon open. Open your snipping tool. If your snipping tool is not in your taskbar, open the search window and search for SNIP, and it should be on the top of your list. Open it. And once it's opened, pin it to your taskbar. Select New and draw a window around data analysis and include your name, select Save, navigate to your Documents folder and save it as Capture with your initials. Save it. And you can close the snipping tool. If you want to close this ribbon so that it's always closed, you can collapse the ribbon once again by selecting this icon. Go to your Canvas assignment and navigate to your Documents folder and find the capture file that you just created and submit it to Canvas to complete your assignment.